In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an email template in HubSpot. Whether you're new to HubSpot or looking to optimize your workflow, email templates are a fantastic way to streamline your communication. Let's dive into this step-by-step guide on how to create your very own email template in HubSpot. First, you'll want to head over to the HubSpot homepage. This is where all the magic begins, and you can do this by simply navigating to their official website. Once you're there, the next step is to locate the login option. You'll typically find this prominently displayed on the homepage, which allows you to access all the wonderful tools that HubSpot provides for your business needs. Now that you've logged in, it's time to go to the HubSpot homepage within your account. This is your dashboard, essentially the central hub for accessing all the HubSpot features and tools at your disposal. Remember, from here you can manage everything from marketing to sales, all in one integrated place. Our next stop is the library. This feature plays a critical role in managing your created templates and other resources. You'll find it in the navigation menu, so just click on it and get ready to explore the content you have saved. Within the library, you're going to want to click on Templates. This is the section dedicated to managing all your email templates. It's a crucial step because from here, you can view, edit, or create new email compositions that fit your business needs. Templates are a great time saver, allowing you to maintain consistency and quality across your communications. Once in the Templates section, look for the option to create a new template. Clicking on it will take you to a page where you can start drafting your template from scratch. This is an important part as it gives you the flexibility and creative freedom to tailor the email to your exact requirements. Finally, HubSpot provides the option to create your template from scratch. Choosing this option means you're opting for a clean slate. No pre-filled content, just a blank canvas for you to populate with your ideas, branding elements, and specific messaging. This is particularly useful for those businesses that have unique narrative styles or branding guidelines that they must adhere to. And there you have it, a complete guide to creating an email template in HubSpot. By following these steps, you'll find it much easier to communicate consistently and professionally with your clients and customers. Whether you're sending newsletters, promotional offers, or personalized messages, a well-crafted email template can be a game changer. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.